Hello watcher and subscriber. Now in exercise 3.3 we are in the next question number 8, and here we will see question number 8 to 12. So here in the question number 8, two parallelograms have been given. Find the value of x and y. Quite easy question because such kind of question we have already seen. So in the parallelogram opposite sides are same, so it means 3y minus 1 is same as it should be equal to 26. These two sides are same, means gs equal to un, means 3x equal to 18. So according to that you have to find value. So here in the parallelogram, as the opposite sides are equal, 3x equal to 18 as I already told you, so it means x equal to 6 centimeter because the length in centimeter. Next one is 3y minus 1 is 26. Okay, because Sn and Gu, these are the opposite side, they are equal. So 3y minus 1 is 26, so it means 3y equal to 26 plus 1, so it is 27. So 27 is divided by 3, you can divide this by 3. So 3 into 9 is 27. Okay, 3 9s are 27, so that the reason y equal to 9 centimeter. And then in the next part, second part, in the parallelogram, so here also x plus y, this is equal to 60, and y plus 7 is equal to 20. Why it is like that? Because the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It means they cut into equal parts, so this length of these two part will be same and these two part will be same. So here x plus y equal to 16. We cannot solve because both the variables are present, so we give equation number 1. Then here y plus 7 is 20, so we can calculate the value of y is 13. You have to put into 1. So here x plus y value is 13 equal to 16. So x will be 16 minus 13 is 3. So here we got the value of x and y. So x is 3 and y is 13 centimeter. Next one is, in this parallelogram, find the value of x. Quite easy question. So here what you should do, you can give here the number 1 and 2, any number you can give. So here two parallelograms are there. This is one parallelogram and this is the second parallelogram. So in this parallelogram, as you know, in any parallelogram opposite sides are same. So this is 70, so this angle will be 70. And then you can apply supplementary angles property, means the adjacent angle, they are 180. So if you solve opposite angle, so this is 70, so that one will be 70 degree. And then in the next part, the angle of K and this 2 will be, these are the adjacent angles, so sum of adjacent angle is 180, because you know adjacent angles are supplementary. So 180 means 2 will be calculated here, that is 180 minus 120, so it is 60. And here we have to find the value of x. So this is triangle, so you can use triangle here sum property, and it is 180. So here 60 and one of them is 70. So here these two addition you have to do and subtract from 180. So according to the angle sum property, their addition should be 180. So here you put the angles and equal to 180. Then x will be finally 180 minus 130, it is 50. So here the answer of x is 50 degrees. So that angle will be 50. Next question is, here in the trapezium, which of the two sides are parallel? So according to trapezium, these two sides are parallel clearly in the diagram. So which two sides are parallel, they are asking. So here M plus L, so this is M and this is L. This is 180 because they are the adjacent angle, and the sum of adjacent interior angle is 180. So here explain how the figure is trapezium, because here why it is trapezium, these two sides are, you can say, parallel, and here in the trapezium their angle should be 180. Once in the opposite angle that adjacent angles are there, you can say the sum of adjacent interior angle. Here already 80 was there, 100 was there, so it means it should be 180. So this is what trapezium. Here KL is parallel to NM, so this is what the trapezium. Two properties are there. First one is it is parallel and their sum should be 180. Next one is here in the figure you have to find angle of C. Very simple. Till now we solve many questions. Their sum, this is trapezium because these two are parallel, and their adjacent angle of interior, their sum should be 180. So 180 minus 120, this one will be the measurement. So 180 minus 120 is 60. So here is the C is 60. Next 12th one, here also trapezium is used. So this angle, these two are parallel, and here this is 90 degree. So according to the property of adjacent angle, interior adjacent angle, 180 minus 90 you do. Okay, you will get the answer. So here you have to find, if you find the R, is there more than one method to find the angle of P also. So we will solve step by step. First find the measure of P and S. So while solving, given Q is already 130, R is already 90. So P and Q, these are the adjacent angle, this P and Q. So 180 minus 130 you have to do. So it is what, 50 degree. So angle of P is what, 50. And according to S, so S and R, they are the adjacent angle, so their sum should be 180. So 180, because R is already 90, so 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So we solve that. There is also one more method is there for solving this. Q is already given 130 and R is already given 90 degree, and S is equal to 90 degree. So here we can use here, as here it is 90, so it should be also 90. So here if you, after that, if you apply the sum property of quadrilateral, it should be 360. Put all the three angle values, you can get the angle of P. So this is also the one more way to calculate the angle of P, because in the question, is there more than one method to find P? Because once you calculate yes, because of this angle property, adjacent angle property, then by using some property of quadrilateral you can calculate P. It's quite easy. So now here I hope you understood this, and thanks for watching this. If you have any doubt, just comment me. Thank you.